beautiful morning here. Thanks for checking out our purple leaf acacia. Now this beautiful Australian native is actually known as Acacia baileyana Purpurea, also known as the Cootamundra wattle, but I've always called it the purple leaf acacia. I love this praying mantis here, it's rad. But they say it's a fast growing tree, and in my experience it's the slowest growing acacia that we have. Now what it's prized for is its foliage here. You can see it starts out a stunning purple or lavender, and then will fade to a silvery kind of bluish color. Now this plant is about to be in bloom, so I'll show you some footage, or I'll include some footage of it with its beautiful flowers. So normally I'd be showing you flower buds here about 2 months later, but not this season. Now I'm really sad to report that we've had an intense heat wave about 14 days ago, and you can see there's some extensive damage on this plant. Now it may not look like it, but it's not going to produce flowers this season. I doubt it, because watch, the leaves don't look very damaged, but they are. So you can see that it's just cannot take 111 degrees for one day and then 109 degrees the following day. So I did learn a valuable lesson from this variety of acacia. All the other acacias seem fine from the heat wave, but this variety I think definitely needs a part sun environment in Southern California. So if it survives, I'm going to transplant it. All right, back to the rest of this episode. Okay, so it will tolerate full sun, but in my experience, I would give it part sun environment. Ours gets a little bit too much sun here, so it's not as happy as I think it could be. In addition, please provide this plant with well-draining soil, and it is drought tolerant once established. So definitely worth a shot. I really like this plant a lot. It's great for growing on slopes. But I think the most important thing about this plant is its foliage. As you can see here, it's just stunning. That fade from lavender to silvery gray. All right, so there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day, and consider getting yourself an Acacia baileyana Purpurea, also known as the Cootamundra wattle. All right, have a great day.